One thing I happen to like about this generation is that we're much more vulnerable and transparent. It feels good to know that unfortunate things can happen to us, but then we realize that we're not alone. It doesn't hurt any less, but it does make us realize that if other people can go through it and make it out, then maybe there's some hope for us. Life is not perfect, and we really shouldn't expect it to be. Just like this video, I wanted it to be aesthetically pleasing so bad until I realized that's not really what I want. I just wanted to keep up with a trend that I'm not too sure is gonna work out for me. I want people to see the real, raw me. At the same time, I did want to try something new. With this video, I tried to record different parts of this vlog over and over and over, trying to make it perfect. And each time I recorded it, it got less authentic because I tried to express my emotions the exact way I did in the first clip. As you can see, eventually I caught myself. What's up, Seashells? It's Shelby, and I'm back with another A typical week in my life is never really the same. One week I'll be home doing absolutely nothing. And if you watch my previous vlogs, you know exactly what I'm talking about. And then the next week I'm out every day, every night. And y'all think I'm this social butterfly that I'm really not. Because if it was up to me, I'd stay home every single day. But I feel like I force myself to go out sometimes because I feel as if I should be living my life, or whatever that means.
But yeah, I need that. Me have to let the boy, call the boy, need that. The work is my fuck, plus I got 20 miles. Like you know me, booty money, in a bag in his dog chatter, broke trapper. I mean, I give up for give you any money.
Tell me how. Tell me how. But out here, I just at work. I just stay out here at work. I don't catch no little vlog for myself. But you know, we outside nice. Yeah, we're outside nice. Con Dragon. How many are we going for the night?
I mean, number two.
Literally. We're just there. I was actually supposed to vlog from earlier today, but that did not work out because I was busy.
Every Sunday, guys, for Shelby news. Yeah, because she news.
Yeah.
She not read nothing sensible.
Oh yeah, that's so. I can't record no more. I have to go back to my job. Have a good night. Goodbye. I'll see you guys either later or tomorrow. Don't get me wrong, I like going out. I do. But I really have social anxiety. And you must be wondering, but you're a YouTuber. It doesn't mean anything. And this is why I like to drink so much. It makes me not care about the people around me. It loosens me up. And ultimately, I have a blast. And it's not that I can't have fun without some liquor. But if I can stop listening to all these voices in my head for a while, then I'm going to take that opportunity to shut them up.
I have no idea where I am going with this vlog. This is my second time trying to film this because I just filmed something and I really thought I started off this vlog way too depressing, but I might insert it. I might still insert it just because it's just life and that's just how I feel and it is what it is. But I haven't been having a good couple of weeks. People have been picking up and I haven't been very subtle about it either. Also, people do watch my Twitter a lot. Like if you're on Twitter and you see me tweeting, sometimes it really has nothing to do with my mood and other times it has everything to do with my mood and I just be spiraling or I'm just ranting, and sometimes it doesn't even make sense what I'm talking about, but you know, some people can see through it and some people message me and be like, are you okay? And that's when I start feeling bad because it's like, no, I didn't mean for anybody to ask me if I was okay. I just wanted to rant, you know, because when people start asking me if I'm okay, I don't want to have to respond and be like, no, I'm not okay. So a lot of times I'll be like, yeah, I'm fine. Or a lot of times, I don't even know how to say this, because sometimes I really am fine. It's just a phase that I know I will get over, and it's not that serious. But I feel bad when you guys are you know, sympathizing, and I don't want you guys to ever think that anything is wrong, because I'll just get over it. Like, don't put little me on your brain. Like, I don't know how to explain what I'm trying to say, but sometimes I just don't like venting because I don't want people to ask me what's wrong. And other people might say, well, people rant on the internet so they can get attention. No, it's just like a little venting method. It's just a method, I guess. You know, some people write in their notes up on their phone. I used to do that. I don't do that anymore. Some people write in their journal. Twitter is like my little outlet sometimes. And half the time I really don't be saying what I really want to say, because I know y'all people be watching my story. Y'all be watching me. So yeah, today I was even going to, first of all, there's just so much. There's so many talk about. There's so much on my mind. Remember in the last vlog I said my period was 43 days late? It was 43 days late again. And today when I saw the big 43 days, I'm like, what is this, bro? Like, why is this happening? And I've been so emotional these past couple of weeks. And then eventually it came today. And it was like a speck of blood. And I'm so annoyed. Because why y'all give me so much pain and heartache with this much blood? At least come correct if y'all gonna come. Like, don't be doing all that extra shit. PMS was kicking my ass. What else happened? I cooked last night when I didn't want to. Forgot my mashed potatoes on the stove. Woke up today, you know, after my period come on me and my bad movement. Finally decided to go in the kitchen. It damn spoiled. And I was very mad about it because I never want to cook no more. So I actually didn't even cook anymore. I have so many things to do this weekend. Well, starting from tomorrow, I have so many things to do. Today is Wednesday. From tomorrow to Sunday, I have a lot to do, and that's already on my mind. I have people intro for me. I was sick for almost 3 weeks. I just had this very bad cough. I know it wasn't COVID. This happens every couple of, from me know myself, this happens like every couple of months, where I just get this bad cough, and it just lingers. That's why I hate getting the flu. That somebody will have the mildest flu, and if I go around them, that is not leaving me until another couple of weeks. Well. So I'm finally better now. I'm not sick anymore, at least not physically, but mentally I'm still sick. And it's just a lot that's going on, bro. It's just a lot. But anyways, I'm not doing this.
So this was my third attempt at starting this vlog right. And then there was a fourth and a fifth, and I don't know how many at this point.
What's up, Seashells? It's Shelby, and welcome back to my channel. Oh, fuck. I don't want to do this though. Okay.
But eventually I just stopped trying. This was me really trying my darn hardest to push through my dark moments to still create content, because, well, that's just my life for you.
I've been having a shitty day. Although I did get some good news today, but because I'm having such a bad day, the good news didn't overshadow it, and it's so sad because the news is literally so good, and it's actually something I will be making a video about. Actually, just remember, I need to take my vitamins. I didn't take vitamins before or anything like that. So since the year started, I started taking probiotics. So this is the one that I am taking. Please don't take anything with me. Take without talking to your doctor first. I don't want to hear say I'm showing you nothing, and then only take it and something do, right? Putting that disclaimer out there right now. So this is my probiotic. And then recently, earlier this month, I decided I want to take vitamins, but I hate pills. I really hate pills. So I decided to get some multivitamin gummies. You know, everything in a one. I don't know. I don't know if they're working yet because I still need to get consistent with this, but I got it. Anyways, because I've been having such a shitty ass day, I literally just laid in bed, didn't do anything. Yesterday actually, I was feeling a bit of the same but not as bad, and then I just get up and said I need a mirror. I need a full body mirror because I don't have a full body mirror. So I went to Fountain and got a mirror, and this is how I decorated it. So this is what we're working with. It's a hang over the door type of situation going on, and I put gold vines around it. I didn't want to put green because I realized I'm going with a little theme in here. So if you peep back there is gold vines on my black curtains. So I decided anything that I have black, I'm going to accent it with gold, and anything that I have white, I'm going to accent it with greenery. So I actually want another piece to put like on the bottom part. Don't mind my garbage. This I took it off the mirror when I was putting it up and I'm dash it away. So that is what's going on here. So that is the update for the mirror. I finally have a full body mirror. I finally got somewhere to take my little full body pictures or whatnot. Me decided to say, well, you know, I tweeted and said, you know, I really want to go to TGI and get a Musgrave. And then Kara messaged me and asked me if I want to go to TGI because she had plans to go. So she invited me to come to TGI. So I should be getting ready for that. And you're probably wondering, why didn't I start getting ready yet? It's 7:31. She said she might go at 8. But me and Carrie a liar. Because Carrie is never ready on time. Never, ever, 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 ever ready on time. So me, I got it my sweet little time. I have a closure ring that I'm just going to draw into my head because I don't have the patience to do anything. And this is what my hair is looking like. And yeah, I need to trim and I need to dye my roots because as you can see, the roots are black. And yeah, I'm not really having that right now. I also need to go shave under my arm. And I need to just get my spirits up because I'm just so sad. I'm really sad and I don't want to be sad, so I'm picking myself up and I'm gonna treat myself to a drink and some mozzarella sticks or some quesadillas. Something got to give because I don't like feeling like this and I don't want to be this pessimistic person. I just want to guys, this is the outfit I decided to go with. Don't know what me wear my foot yet, but this is basically it. I can't bother. The wig almost never did cooperate because I don't know, it's like the placement on my head. I don't know, I still feel like it did too far up, but at the same time my head is big, so it's going to look weird if I pull it down more, and that is my issue. Watch out. That's my issue with closures. If this was a frontal, I could have well and brought it down to at least here, but with closures it's just tricky because of how my head is shaped, and if I pull it down anymore, like the size won't fit properly. I always have this problem with closures, but I think it's whatever. I don't care. I really don't care. Today I'm going to use Dossier, of course. Dossier. I'm going to use floral rhubarb. I'll put it up on the screen which one this replicates. I think it's Marc Jacobs Perfect, if I'm not mistaken. I think that's the one that this replicates. Don't even think to forget that I've been putting you on to Dossier for quite some time now. I'll never get over them. Sponsorship aside, I really do take them everywhere I go. The sample size bottles are really so convenient for when the bigger bottle can't fit into my bag or something, or I don't know, probably wherever I go they can't allow perfume. I don't know, but apart from that, it smells good, it's affordable. How can you really find any fault with this? Bougie on a budget, and you can even get it cheaper with my code Andimshelby10. So make sure you take advantage of that and click the link in the description box below to shop. Yeah. So that's what I'm gonna put on. One thing with me, maybe use my Dossier. Yeah. And I'm going to so get that about that. Yeah, so I'm also going to put this in my bag. I also need to think of what bag I'm going to take with me. I have this one. This is what I'm going to take. This is what I'm gonna take. Please don't ask me if it's real or fake. It's probably an inspired bag for all I know. I do not know. I got this when I was like 8 years old from my sister. She gave it to me. It was hers and she passed it down to me, and I have it now. So don't nobody ask me, girl, watch Louis. Yeah, watch Louis. I don't know if it's real or fake, but maybe wear it the same way, because who's gonna take it off of me? Nobody. Yeah, that's what I thought. So yeah, as me say, I'll be a silver in there. You know, so I'm gonna leave the silver them. They will always come in handy. But I am gonna put the Dossier in there along with my card, my money, because you know people always after I will get vexed money. So now boy our girl gonna face to do. I need some more cash. Carrie not ready, you know. Just like I expected, Carrie's not ready. I just noticed that I got him still, but it's whatever. So yeah, this is the bag. I would take off the straps, but I can't be bothered. I think it's fine. These are not the straps that came with it. I don't remember if it came with any long straps or anything, but I took this off of another bag that I had and I put it on this because it matched with it perfectly. And I think I wanted a longer strap instead of wearing it as a wristlet, because I don't like that. I feel like people can just easily snatch that off of me. So anyways, I'm just waiting on her to tell me if she's ready or when we can leave out, so I'll pick y'all back up when I get there.
Hey guys, we are at TGI Fridays. Pour me a shot. Hey yo, bring me a shot. Me? Nice. Shirley, I know you're not supposed to about it. Please don't listen to that part.
Where the hood niggas at?
For real. Where are the good
Where the hood niggas at?
No, give me the best. Yeah. We're just really pretty.
Yes,
That is true. That's true. That is true.
guys.
But these filters are so black. Look at them. My girl. They're so funny. Apart from them, they're the lesbians or stay single. Hey, your mother here got me more. I ain't even gotta walk in with my too loud. It's getting too loud. It's getting too loud. The bill. Let's get the bill. We're wrapping up. About to go to
Nah, man, life.
When we go in the moment, I'm pretty sure it's a monks.
Normal. A lie?
Is it untrue?
Is it untrue?
I wasn't going to vlog, but I'm vlogging now. Sash is shy. I don't know why Sash is shy. Oh my god.
Pull up to me bumper, come in your long black limousine. Just bend me over, pull up to me bumper, put the key and everything.
Pull up to your bumper, pull up to your bumper. Sure the parts them genuine. Up on this arm, shoulder back, pull over. Me a go drive up the limousine. When me see the more money there, with the new shit model, me a run the gas pedal.
Hi guys, this is me officially meeting Rushama. Guys, he said he knows me. Like, wow.
So when you're parking, make sure you recline the seat. Don't possible like in a bed.
Just pull up to me bumper, pull up to me bumper, come in your long black limousine.
And that is what a typical week in my life looks like when it's not on the boring side. When it gets festive, it gets festive. And after a week like that, back-to-back outings, even more that I didn't even record and put into this vlog, there always comes a time where I'll have to reset, and it's back to that period where I literally cannot stand human interaction and I'd much prefer to be left alone. Truly, I don't even know what the message or purpose of this visual diary was, but I do hope it was relatable in some way, shape, or form. And I hope I can do better in the next one. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked this and maybe I can continue. But yeah, until then, see you guys in the next one. Bye.